Hello students. The next important topic is Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm only. Okay, so this is one of the important algorithm for clipping polygons which are outside the window. Last time we had studied the algorithm Cohen-Sutherland, and that algorithm was used for clipping lines which are outside the window. This algorithm Sutherland-Hodgman is used for clipping polygons which are outside the window. Okay, so here we have to consider four cases in this algorithm. Okay, there are four different cases to follow. First case, okay, consider this as a window, and what window this portion is there, we'll call it as in, that means inside. Okay, and outside of the window what is there, we'll consider it as out. Okay, as of now we'll consider this portion as out. Okay, this portion as out you can consider anywhere else also. Okay, so what is happening here in the first case is one edge of the polygon. Okay, you can consider any one edge of the polygon, okay, which is moving from outside to inside. Okay, that is from outside the window to the inside of the window, v1 to v2. When such an edge is there which is moving from outside to inside of the window, you have to consider the intersection point here. Okay, that is v1 dash, and the output of this edge what is there, that is v1 to v2, will be the intersection point and the second vertex. That is, if the polygon edge moves from outside to inside, that is an edge v1 to v2 moves from outside to inside, then the output of that edge, that is out to in, is to be taken as v1 dash and v2. Okay, v1 dash and v2, that is the intersection point and the second vertex. Okay, the intersection vertex and the second vertex should be taken when an edge is moving from outside to inside. This is the first case. In the second case, we have the same window. This portion will take it as inside, this portion will take it as outside. In the second case, what is happening is the edge of the polygon v1 to v2 is moving from inside the polygon to outside the polygon. Okay, from inside it is moving to outside the polygon. So in this case what we have to do is we have to again take the intersection point, that is v1 dash. Okay, intersection point will take it as v1 dash, and the output of this edge will be that intersection point only. That is, if the polygon edge moves from inside to outside, then the output of that edge, that is v1 to v2, in to out, should be only that intersection vertex, that is v1 dash. Okay, first case outside to inside, consider only v1 dash v2, and the second case inside to outside, you have to consider only the intersection vertex, that is v1 dash. In the third case, we have here inside of the window and this is outside. If an edge of a polygon is completely inside of the window, that is v1 to v2 is completely inside of the window, then you have to consider the second vertex as the output, that is v1 to v2 you have to consider the second vertex as the output. That is, if the polygon edge is completely inside, then the output of that edge, that is in to in, will be the second vertex v2. This is the third case. In the fourth case, what is happening is, if an edge is completely outside the window, that is v1 v2 is completely outside the window, then the output of that edge, that is out to out, is nil. You have to not consider anything, you should do nothing there. Okay, that is, if the polygon edge is completely outside, then the output of that edge out to out is nil. Okay, so these are the four cases of Sutherland-Hodgman polygon. First case, out to in, consider the intersection point and the second vertex. Second case, from in to out, that time you have to consider only the intersection vertex. Third one, in to in, you have to consider the second vertex v2. And the fourth case, out to out, you have to do nothing, it is nil. So these are the 4 important cases in Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. So to solve the problems related to Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm, these 4 cases are required. Apart from these 4 cases, we'll be also considering these 4 clips which we had studied in the previous topic, that is left clip, right clip, top clip and bottom clip. So these 4 cases plus this 4 process will be used to solve the problems of Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm.